Part 23, exercise 1.2, question number 3. So the question number 3 is on find the sum. 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So here 7 by 5 and 3 by 5 are the like fractions. So that means the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, we can add the numerator. So 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5 can be added as 7 plus 3 whole divided by 5. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 divided by 5 is the answer for 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Second question is 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. Here 5 and 7 are different denominators. So if the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM. So here 5 and 7 are the co-prime numbers. If it is a co-prime number, just we multiply the numbers. So 5 into 7 is 35. So the LCM for 7 and 5 is 35. So what is the first rational number? The first rational number is 7 by 5. We have to change the denominator 5 into 35. So that I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So 7 into 7 equal to 49 and 5 into 7 is 35. So 7 by 5 is equivalent to 49 by 35. The second rational number is 5 by 7. Here we are going to convert the denominator 7 which is equivalent to 35. For that I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 7 into 5 is 35. So 5 by 7 is equivalent to 25 by 35. Now we are going to add 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7 which is equivalent to 49 plus 25 whole divided by 35 which is equal to 49 plus 25 is 74. The denominator is 35. The answer for 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7 is 74 by 35. Then subdivision 3. 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15. Here also the denominators are different. If the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM. So the LCM for 5 and 15. The common factor for 5 and 15 is 5. So 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Next we have to find the factor for 3. The factor for 3 is 3 itself. So 1 3s are 3. So now we have to multiply 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. Therefore the LCM for 5 and 15 is 15 itself. So first we have to write the rational number 6 by 5. So now we have to convert the denominator 5 which is equivalent to 15. For that I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 6 into 3 whole divided by 5 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15. So 6 by 5 is equivalent to 18 by 15. Then second the rational number is minus 14 divided by 15. Here the denominator is equivalent to 15. So I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 1. So minus 14 by 15. Now we are going to add 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15 which is equivalent to 18 plus minus 14 divided by 15. Here the two operators are nearer together. That means we have to change the sign. Plus into minus is minus. So 18 minus 14 which is equal to 4. The denominator is 15. So the answer for 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15 is 4 by 15. The next subdivision is minus 4, 2 by 3 plus 7, 5 by 12. So here the rational number are given as a mixed fractions. First you have to convert the given mixed fraction into improper fractions. So for that I am going to multiply 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So minus 4 2 by 3. The mixed fraction equivalent improper fraction is minus 4 by 3. So next one is 7. Now you have to convert the mixed fraction 7 5 by 12 to the improper fraction. For that first you have to multiply 7 and 12. So 7 into 12 is 84. 84 plus 5 is 89. So the improper fraction is 89 by 12. So here also we are having the different denominator. If the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM. The LCM for 3 and 14 is So the common factor for 3 and 12 is 3 itself. So 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Again you have to find the common factor for 4. The factor for 4 is a 2, 2 2s are 4. Again we have to find the factor for 2. The factor for 2 is 2 itself. So 1 into 2 is 2. Now we have to multiply the factors. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So the LCM for 3 and 12 is 12. So the first rational number is minus 14 by 3. Now you have to convert the denominator 3 which is equivalent to 12. For that I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. Minus 14 into 4 is minus 56 divided by 3 into 4 is 12. So minus 14 by 3 equivalent fraction is minus 56 by 12. So the next rational number is 18 by 12. So here already the denominator is 12. So I have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 itself. So 89 into 1 whole divided by 12 into 1. So which is equal to 89 by 12. Now we are going to add the two rational number, that is minus 14 by 3 plus 18 by 12 which is equal to minus 56 plus 89 by 12. So now here the numerator we are having the different integer, that is one is in positive, another one is in negative. That means you have to subtract. So 89 minus 56 is 33. So the biggest number is 89. 89 having the positive sign. So the answer is plus 33, and here 33 and 12 are having the common factor. The common factor here is 3. So 11 3s are 33 and 4 3s are 12. So the answer here is plus 11 by 4. So minus 4 2 by 3 plus 7 5 by 12 which is equal to 11 by 4.